Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We are back with a product review number 1 of Avalon King's new detailing stuff that they sent us out. I did a video showing everything that they sent, and this is test number 1 for their Sadistic Suds. This is their mega foam shampoo. So we're going to try it on my Frontier here. Now keep in mind this truck is freshly ceramic coated. We did take it off-road, so it's got a little bit of dirt here and there, but we're going to see just how well this foam works. One nice thing, when you put it into your foam cannon, if you open this up, you can see the nozzle is right there. So when you pour it in, it's not squirting straight out, so you can kind of get the bottle in and just give it a squeeze. And now when you're filling it up, and you can pour it just like this, give it a little squeeze, everything goes in the bottle, doesn't drip everywhere. So super easy to fill up, a lot easier with 2 hands. You won't end up with a little drip. But what you want is 1 part per 1,000 for water. So this stuff goes a long ways. Basically, if you look in here, I filled it up just enough to coat the bottom. We'll fill up the rest with water, just about up to here. Give it a little shake, hook it up to the pressure washer, and we'll see how it works. Alright, so we got it filled up. Keep in mind, it's not any fancy foam cannon or any fancy pressure washer. You can get them all for relatively cheap. Fill it up to about there. You can see the blue nice and easy through the white. So let's see how good it works on the truck. Alright, so as you can see, it does get super foamy. I don't know if it picks up on the camera. You can see it dripping there. You can hear it hitting the ground. Stuff's looking like a melted marshmallow. And as you can see, it doesn't really stick to the hood. This is, like I said, freshly ceramic coated. And just the angle of the hood, everything beads up like you see here, and it wants to slide off. But that's a good thing. If the soap's not sticking, then the dirt's not going to be sticking either. So again, on the sides, same thing. It's all freshly ceramic coated, so it does slide off fairly easily. But just like that, you're ready to give her a wash. So let's wipe it down, see how good it gets the dirt off. Alright, so now for washing, we're not doing anything crazy. I just got one little green mitt here from Walmart, and we're going back and forth and just giving it a rinse. You don't necessarily even have to do this step. It is made to just foam up the truck, let it do its thing, pull off the dirt, and you can just pressure wash it. But we did go through a little bit of mud, and everybody knows that mud sticks. So I am just giving it a little quick wipe down over the whole truck. We'll hit it with the pressure washer, and then we'll see how clean it is once we get it all hosed back off. Just like that, she's all clean, and of course it's ceramic coated, so once you're done, if you just get a little bit of water and you just turn it on, it all comes flying right off. If you have a hose that's a little more gentle than this one and you just run it over the top, it'll make all the water bead off and you won't really have to even dry anything. But as you can see, this soap works extremely well. Gets everything off. I didn't use anything other than the foam cannon and a mitt. And after that, I just hit her with the pressure washer and you can see everything is back shining and beating off just like it was before we were dirty. So there you have it, guys. Sadistic Suds by Avalon King. Works awesome. I hit it with a quick towel dry just to get the water off there so you guys can see. The shine comes back just as if it was never dirty in the first place. You can see the shine in there. Here's the bottle. So if you want to check this stuff out, make sure to go down in the description. I'll put the link down there. And like I said, it's going to last a long time. 1 to 1,000 parts water, 1 part soap to 1,000 parts water. Mix it up, spray it on, wipe it down, hose it off, dry it, and you got shine like you see in the truck here. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for their other product reviews coming up soon, and hopefully we catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.